Hello YouTube, thank you for tuning in. My name is Yerain Abreu and I'm a designer here in New York City. Now there's a couple of reasons why I want to create this YouTube channel. Number one is because I often find myself coming across some sort of problem on the internet or using a program, and I usually overcome it and I think, wow, other people probably have the same problem. Moving on, and I think it's just such a bummer that I don't get to share how I solved that problem, and I think, maybe it's time to do that. And number two is because I want to grow as a designer on camera, and it'd be great for me to see the progress that I've made. Also, I'll be able to record recently learned material and be able to explain it to other people, which is going to really reinforce those things. So there's going to be tons of videos on this channel. Thanks so much for tuning in, and that's all I got. See ya.